Hello friends, my name is Tarun. Today we are playing with the networking devices such as routers, switches and all in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's have a look. We have Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the workspace and the networking devices we have the router, switch and hub and wireless devices and all. So let's check the device we can use the PC, laptop, server, the printer and TV. So let's use the laptop first. Let's drag and drop here. We are checking the laptop. We have the ports, the music, the headphone ports. Let's check config file. Config, we have Bluetooth ports and open. We have the setting, the desktop, here IP configuration and the command prompt. Let's check IP config. We don't have IP set it in beginning. So let's close this and take the three laptop for our convenience. Let's take three PC also, and the last one let's drag here. Let's check the interface, the original physical device view, the ports we have and the great visualized button on and off. We can play with that. That's cool. Let's close this once and take the switch so we can connect these devices together so they can communicate. Here we use 2960 switch. We have the port here 1212 ports are there with fast ethernet mention and 2 gigabit ethernet ports which we are going to use for to connect with the router. Let's use this again here for this connection. It show is still booting. Let's wait till it finished. All the things are same for the second router as well. Now connect this using ethernet straight through cable. Ethernet straight through cable is used to connect different devices. Here are the laptop and the switches. We use fast ethernet port. You can choose any ethernet port. So it shows the connection up in the computer section but not in the router section as it take time to boot and to connect. It take time for setting up the MAC table for communication process. So let's connect all and wait for it to connect. Let's check the command prompt and set the IP first. We have to set IP for all the computers so that they can communicate. This is the first class IP with the subnet mask. Let's close this and set for all the computers and PC system we have 10.0.2. Let's close this also and set for all. Let me set with the 3 and close this. For this I need to change the connection. So let's choose 192.168.0.1. Here I am choose this different because we are going to use the different network ID because we are using different switches, so network ID must be different. So let's set for all the PCs we have and we are going to be done with the process. So now let's use the router. Oh, we have to check first, so let's take ipconfig and we have the IP assigned which is 10.0.1. Let's ping the PC we have 10.0.2. We get the reply. It's mean they are connected. Now we are going to use the router so that they can communicate in the internetwork. We have the two network here, the laptop section and the PC section. Here we have the physical device with the nice button view, and we have the ports where we can connect the routers and systems. It's still showing booting, so let's wait till it boot. We have the gigabit ethernet ports. For the ports we have to connect, so let's connect by using ethernet straight to cable. As they are always the different devices, we have switch and router, so let's connect it to gigabit ethernet port. So after connecting, we can check it's all down as services, so we have to configure it for the routers. Let's check here and type the gateway as the entry, and status of the port is on. Do for both side, and here is the gateway for second router. We can use any port in the IP range, so let's store the port on and close this down. Now we have to mention the gateway in all the PCs also, because gateway is used to connect and to communicate between the connection over internet using the router. So let's copy this and paste in all the PC we have in the switch 1. Let's wait and type it here and copy paste. I am bit lazy here, so 192.168.0.4. Second PC, its name and PC1, and paste it for PC2. So after that, all thing are set up. Let's check for ping whether they are connected or not. Let's ping the PC at the other side of the router. Ping 192.168.0.1. Let's enter and wait for the packet to be connected. First packet is timeout because first time the router is taking the a network ID, so it's timeout for the first packet. Let's take the in the simulation mode. We take one packet to the source IP and the destination PC. So let's run. We can check it in simulation mode. Here's a nice view of packet going to the destination. It first goes to the switcher and then to the router. Router first discard this packet because it take the IP network ID of the switch. Then it passes to the switch 1, which is the destination switch we have, and then the switch first broadcast, so to know about the MAC address of each the PC we have to connect it. So all the other PC which are connected to that are discard this packet, and only the needy destination is replying to that packet. So we have the communication and the great visualization mode. So that's all for today. This is for to understand the networking from basic level and playing with the networking devices. Thank you and have a nice day.